lovely Bertha. You are a lovely machine, and anyone who works with you will know just what I mean. Whoa, Bertha, lovely Bertha. Sometimes I think you're a dream. When we work out what you have to do, you can always turn the goods out, always turn the goods out. We can depend upon you. Clicking in the day, flashing in the night, your computer is shining brightly. Some people say you've a mind of your own, and I think that's very likely, likely. Oh, Bertha, lovely Bertha. Sometimes I think you're a dream. When we were
dreaming time away. He's thinking of the time when fortune smiles and comes his way.